Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today we're gonna be taking a look at this early 2000s neon light radio salon by Studio 54. So let's open her up. For a studio. Here's what comes in the package. Alright, so now that we've got it unboxed, I guess the only thing to do is to go test it out. Alright, so we're gonna put it on the Zomiata radio and see what happens. It said not to use it with the cord tangled up. It would sit something like this. I think we'll just leave it set like that. Guys, just live. Alright, so we're gonna give it a test here. Oh no. Uh-oh. Ladies and gentlemen. Alright, so after messing around with it, it started to work. Let's see if it works on the sound feature. Alright. Oh, you gotta turn on the sensitivity. Yo! Oh! This might be one of the coolest things. This is fucking fantastic.